Let's make one of my favorite soups. Add a little oil. Once it's heated, add some diced onion, chopped celery, diced carrots, and some minced garlic. Now I'm going to mix everything up and saute it for about 5 minutes. Next, I'm going to add in my slippies, and what I like to do beforehand is sort them. So make sure there are no little rocks or any debris in there. And I have learned the hard way. I almost chipped my tooth. I chomped down really hard and hit a pebble. So it's very important that you look through them beforehand and clean them to make sure you're not getting a rock. Then I'm adding in some no chicken broth. I love how simple this recipe is with so few ingredients. Now I'm going to bring it to a boil, cover it with a lid, and let it sit for about 45 minutes until everything is cooked.